Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to solve simple error in VMware Workstation. Error is failed to load partition for device, then our device name and insufficient permission to access file. This is our error and we are going to solve this error. I click on the close it and cancel it. Before go to this video, if you not subscribe the channel, then subscribe the channel and also click on the bell icon. So let's go to our video. First we see the error. I go to my virtual machine. Here is my virtual machine. Go to the virtual machine on your VMware. Right click on it and go to the settings. In settings, I click on add. I want to add new hardware. Click on add. Here I want to add hard disk. So I click on hard disk. Click on the next. I go with the recommended settings. Click on next. Select physical disk, use of physical disk and click on next. And here is our error and we are going to solve this problem. Close it, cancel it, click on OK and close our VMware Workstation. Close it, VMware Workstation. And solution is very simple. There are two solutions. First, go to the VMware Workstation, right click on it and run as an administrator. And second solution is very simple and it's apply at any time. Go to here, go to the VMware Workstation, right click on it, click on the show more options or click on the properties, click on the properties or show more options and properties, click on the properties. In properties, here we find many options. Go to the compatibility, here we find many options. Here we find main option, run this program as an administrator. Check this, select this, run this program as an administrator. Click on apply. Click on OK, double click on it or run as an administrator, double click on it, click on the yes, wait for a few seconds, select your virtual machine, right click on it, settings, click on settings, here go to the add a hardware, I want to add a hardware, click on add, I select hard disk, click on the next, go with the recommended settings or any settings that you want, click on the next, use of physical disk, click on the next, and select your physical drive. I select last and click on the next and click on the finish. Wait for a few seconds. Click on OK. That's all. Your error failed to load partitions for device insufficient permission to access files is solved in VMware Workstation. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.